Imagine never having to buy chicken or eggs again and doing it for just pennies. No expensive feed, no fancy coops, no vet bills. The Amish have cracked the code, and today, you're about to learn their secrets. This is backyard chicken farming at its smartest, saving thousands of dollars while letting nature do the work. And the best part? You can do this too, whether you live on a farm or just have a small backyard. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start your own low-cost, self-sufficient chicken system. Let's dive in. First, you need the right breed. Not all chickens are created equal. Some require constant care and expensive feed, but others, they practically take care of themselves. The Amish raise hardy, self-sufficient breeds like Rhode Island Reds, Buff Orpingtons, and Plymouth Rocks. These birds are built for survival, strong egg layers, expert foragers, and resistant to diseases. Translation? Less work for you, less money spent, and more food on your table. One of the biggest expenses in chicken farming? Feed. But the Amish? They don't spend a dime on store-bought feed. Instead, they let their chickens do what they do best. Forage. Bugs, worms, leftover vegetables, grass clippings. Nature provides everything chickens need to thrive. And in winter, the Amish supplement with homegrown grains and fermented feed, which not only saves money but boosts nutrition. Forget overpriced coops from the store. The Amish build their chicken houses using free materials. Scrap wood, old barn planks, even recycled metal roofing. The secret? Keep it simple. Chickens don't need luxury. They need a dry, draft-free space with good airflow. That's it. And by using materials you already have, you can build a coop for almost nothing. Sick chickens can drain your wallet fast. But the Amish? They don't rely on expensive medications. Instead, they use natural remedies that have worked for centuries. Apple cider vinegar boosts immunity, garlic and oregano act as natural antibiotics, and dust baths keep mites and lice away. No need for chemicals. Why buy chicks when nature can do the work for you? Instead of using expensive incubators, the Amish let their hens hatch their own chicks, just like nature intended. That means year after year, they get a fresh supply of chickens without ever spending a dime. When it's time to harvest, the Amish waste nothing. They use traditional, humane methods to process their chickens, ensuring every part is used. No freezer? No problem. The Amish use time-tested methods like canning, smoking, and salting to preserve chicken for months, saving money on electricity and keeping food fresh the old-fashioned way. Now here's the best part. You can do this in your own backyard. Whether you have acres of land or just a small space, these Amish methods work anywhere. Think about it. No more worrying about food shortages, rising prices, or factory-farmed meat. Just fresh, healthy chicken, raised for pennies. The Amish have been doing this for generations, and now you can too. Start small, choose the right breed, let them forage, use what you have, and before you know it, you'll have a year's supply of chicken without breaking the bank. Want more self-sufficient living tips? Make sure you subscribe, because up next, I'm revealing how the Amish grow an entire year's worth of food with almost no effort.